Information and Communications Technology, or ICT. First, let us define the term IT or Information Technology. Information technology is the use of any computer, storage, networking, and other physical devices, infrastructure, and processes to create, store, secure, and exchange all forms of electronic data. So that's what IT is all about, using modern technological devices to manipulate and exchange data. Here are some words associated with IT. Network, data, software, database, information, computer, programming, hacking, security, cloud computing, system, hardware, storage, offline, online, graphics, troubleshoot. Some of these words are jobs related to IT, and some of these words are just basic knowledge na related to IT. ICT. ICT deals with the use of different communication technologies such as mobile phones, telephone, internet to manage information. ICT is like IT, but it's more specific because ICT refers to the use of different communication technologies. So any technology na nagagamit natin for communication ay nagpo-fall under ICT. Components of ICT. There are a lot of components in ICT, but we will only focus on 5 main components. First is yung software. Software are data, instructions, or programs used to operate computers and execute specific tasks. Example of this is the OS or operating system like Windows, Linux, Mac OS, and so on. And yung mga desktop applications like web browsers, Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Internet Explorer, Microsoft Edge, and Microsoft Office softwares like Microsoft Word, MS Excel, PowerPoint, and so on. Next is hardware. These are the physical elements that make up a computer, usually divided into 3 categories: input, output, and storage devices. We have input devices na kung saan kumukuha ng input mula sa user. These devices are joystick, keyboard, mouse, scanner, and microphones. We also have output devices na kung saan ito yung nagdi-display or naglalabas ng mga process na data, kagaya na lang ng monitor, printer, and speaker. We also have storage devices na kung saan ito yung nag-i-store ng mga data na meron tayo, like hard disk, CD-ROM, flash drive, and SD card. Uses of ICT. First is yung sa education. Learning management software uses online classes and Moodle-style websites as ways of utilizing technology in education. So we have Google Classroom, we have Moodle, and we also have the Microsoft Teams. So yung mga yon, meron sila mga websites and applications, and at the same time, magagamit natin sila through the use of communication devices such as your mobile phones or laptop.